Now, the next load balancing algorithm is called chained failover load balancing algorithm. Okay. What is the meaning of chained failover? In this particular method, a predefined order of server is pre-configured in a chain. All requests are sent to the first server in the chain. If it cannot accept any more requests, so the next server in the chain is sent to all requests, then third server, and so on. So it is very much simple, a load balancing technique. Now these servers which were previously connected with the load balancer are also connected with them. They are connected with themselves. So let's say server number 1 is given, can take, let's say, 10 number of requests. So it is taking the 10 number of requests. Let's say another request is coming, new request is coming. So this new request, because it cannot fulfill that particular, so it will go to the next one. So let's say the capacity of server 2 is, let's say, 5 requests. So if 5 requests is more than 5 requests, then the request will go to the next server. Then again, it will go to the next server. In that way, the request will be fulfilled. Okay. So there is the chain among these servers. So server number 1 is taking the request. If it cannot serve, it will send the request to server number 2. Server number 2 is fulfilled all the requests. If it cannot then serve, then it will go to the server number 3 in that way, because these are chained together. So this is the simple chain failover